What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be going over what I consider to be essential accessories for your brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get started. The first accessory I'm going to start with is the 18-watt charging power adapter. Now, as you all know, this year's iPhone did not include a power adapter, just a charging cable. So I did need to add that to that list. I will be leaving a link to all the items I am talking about in this video in the description below. The second accessory I want to talk about is the tempered glass screen protector. Now, while the newer generation iPhones have scratch-resistant glass screens, I'm always a bit extra paranoid about my iPhone, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I went ahead and purchased a tempered glass screen protector, as you can see here. Now, I already applied it to my phone because they do send you several screen protectors in the package. It's a 3-pack. So as you can see here, it's already applied, and turn it on. Works really well, honestly, and you can barely see anything, and it covers the top and it just blends in super well. It's not like it's a thick layer of tempered glass. It's just very well blended in. The third accessory is the Spigen liquid clear case for your iPhone. Now, this case is really nice. This is for the people that want just a very basic case for their iPhone. It goes for about $11. Let me connect it. Let me put it on my phone so you get a better look. So super easy to apply. I will say for this case, the one issue that I did notice is that it's a fingerprint magnet. So you do have to constantly clean it from time to time, because over time it just collects fingerprint everywhere. So keep that in mind. So like I said, it goes for $11 on Amazon, and it's a nice basic clear case that just still showcases how, beautiful the iPhone is while protecting it. The next accessory that I purchased was a camera lens protector for the back of the iPhone. So this part here, I'm really worried about something happening to one of the 3 lenses, as well as the flash, because it does stick out, as you can see. So if you put your iPhone on a table, etc., and you don't have a case, it can over time scratch the lens. So I was really worried about that, and I did purchase this. Now, I won't leave a link to this in the description, for the reason being that a lot of sellers on Amazon, and you should really watch out about this, are claiming that their camera lens protector is, it's compatible with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, when it's really compatible for the iPhone 11, the 6.2-inch version. So once I got this, they send you, it's a 3-pack, just like the screen protector. And once I got it, I tried to apply the first one, it didn't fit. The other accessory I want to talk about now is the Apple leather case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, this case is not for everybody. It's a $60 case, or it's a $60 case. And the reason why I purchased this is because I've been eyeing this since when they came out with the leather, with the official Apple leather cases for the iPhone 11, but I only had the XS Max at the time. So when I purchased the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I saw this is being sold, and I just wanted to get it because I do love the color, I love the design, and I went ahead and purchased it. Now, I would say this is a more luxury option, and just like the case that I showed you from Spigen that cost $11, even this one, they're both MagSafe compatible, so as you can see here. So you don't have to worry about you purchasing the case and not being compatible with MagSafe. Both cases, of course, are compatible with MagSafe. On the other end, you get this MagSafe ring showing you that the case is compatible. And then on the inside here, you get a very soft layer meant to protect your phone, of course, so it won't scratch the back of your phone. And as well as the case does feature a raised piece. I believe it's plastic. So that way it protects your camera and the 3 lenses once you put the phone on the table. So this is what the case looks like installed to the iPhone. Again, really nice. It feels really nice in the hand, as you can expect from a case that costs $60. And again, like I mentioned, I would consider this, of course, a more luxurious option as far as cases go, since the other one that I showed you from Spigen costs $10.99 on Amazon. So it's definitely up to you and your preference. Now let me show you the final accessory. Now the final accessory I want to talk about, and a lot of people have different mixed feelings about it, is the MagSafe charger. I love this thing, and I think it's a little bit overpriced, but it's worth it. Let me explain to you why. So when you do get your MagSafe charger and you open it up, you realize that there's nothing, you can't unplug it from here. It's hardwired through the MagSafe itself. And then on the other end, you have the USB-C cable. And what that goes perfectly with is the adapter from Apple that I showed you earlier. So it connects right there, and you can just plug it in and charge it. So now that it's all plugged in, I currently have the Apple leather case, and I'm gonna connect it now. Let me show it to you in a better angle. So, there you go. Right off the bat, it's really nice. I like the visualization. It's creative, but the reason why I really like this MagSafe charger, and I know a lot of people were talking about how it's bulky and, you know, why can't you just use a normal charger to plug it in? I like it because you don't have to be plugging in anything into the port down here, because we all know nobody gets it in 100% in the first try. Usually you scramble to put in your, lightning cable, and in the process, you do scratch the surrounding areas around the charger. So if you're a person that's obsessed with your phone being, clean, no scratches, and you're trying to preserve the condition of your phone, this is a great charger, because you don't ever have to worry about you plugging in, lightning cables through here, possibly missing, and then scratching around the charging port. With this, it's all magnetic, and it just does it for you. I like that a lot. Now, as far as the price point of $39, is it worth it? That would be up to you and your preference. So personally, for me, the $39 is a bit overpriced. I think it's around the $25, $30 mark. But since it is Apple, they will try to milk you for extra money. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you and your preferences, and you can probably get something on Amazon that is compatible with the MagSafe charging. The reason that I didn't do that is because I don't trust third-party companies when it comes to the MagSafe charging, at least not right now. I believe the MagSafe charging is a new concept, especially from Apple, and I believe Apple is the only people that know how to do it right now. I think the best that third-party companies can do is really come up with a MagSafe compatible case for now. So as of right now, that's why I am showcasing the Apple MagSafe charger. If there are other great, compatible MagSafe chargers out there that are not Apple and they're cheaper, I will showcase them on the channel. So before we do end the video, I just wanted to showcase a bonus accessory. Now, I purchased this originally for my MacBook, but I ended up loving this thing so much, and I've been using it across several of my electronic devices, such as the iPhone that I just purchased, my iPad, and of course the MacBook. Now, this is called a ghost blanket, and it's meant to be a keyboard blanket as well as a cleaning cloth, but really I use it more as a cleaning cloth. And they give you 2 of them. So you have this, and then they send you another one just like it. Now, I didn't feel the need to use 2 of them, so I just kept this one in the packaging that it came with. But this cleaning cloth doubles for great cleaning if you just want to wipe away dust from any of your electronics. So right here, I have my phone, which is full of, I'm trying to show you here better. As you can see right here, there's fingerprints. It works super well. So again, this is not really an accessory for your phone per se, but it's a great add-on for the people that are OCD with their phones and the cleanliness and trying to make sure it's as clean and pristine as possible. Okay, so this was my video on what I consider to be the top essential accessories for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, or even let me know what is your favorite accessory, and if you have a different one that you didn't see here in this video, please let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.